Muriega eroreri, ndamamukira kihinguro-ini giki gitu kia guthoma Kikuyu language with Ruth and Mary. Welcome our viewers to this our channel, learning the Kikuyu language with Ruth and Mary. Njitagwo Mary. Kwihoka nimwakeneire kiria murathomaga na Ruth. Uhoro wa verbs iria mundu ahuthagira kaingi. The ones you use when you're cooking, most of the verbs used when you're cooking. Umuthi tugwika uhoro wa kaingi uria ciugo iria ihuthagirwo ni andu aria maracera, tourists. Uhana atia? Uhana atia? It's a form of greeting. Uhana atia? How are you? Then you can say, ndi mwega. I am fine. It's one of the ways of greetings. Ndi mwega. I am fine. Then ni wega. Thank you. Maybe if you want to give thanks for something, maybe somebody has shown you the way you say ni wega. Thank you. Witagwo atia? Witagwo atia? What is your name? Normally this is a conversation you get with somebody who is maybe a tourist. Maybe they'll ask you the way, then you tell them, umite ku? Umite ku? Where do you come from? Wĩ mwega kĩroko? Could be the time you meet this person is in the morning. Wĩ mwega kĩroko? Wĩ mwega kĩroko? Maybe you see something strange. You can ask, niki gĩkĩ? Niki gĩkĩ? What is this? Maybe you want to buy something, you can ask the price. Ĩno yumaga atia? How much is this? Maybe somebody wants to ask for something, and they will start with wina. Like, what do you have? Then you say whatever else you want. Then if you have offended somebody, you can say johera. I'm sorry. Maybe you're asking for pardon. Probably you are hungry. Ndi muhutu. I am hungry. Ndi munyotu. Maybe you need a drink. Ndi munyotu. I am thirsty. We come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you got something. Please remember to subscribe if you have not, to like, comment, and please share. Thank you. Tìgwo ina wega. Tiga ikinya hindi wengi.